A big change is coming to Interstate 4 at Sand Lake Road in Orange County's attractions area, and it's designed to make your drive through Central Florida's busiest interchange a lot smoother. The Florida Department of Transportation will soon open a new loop ramp system that will give drivers a safer and easier way to get to Turkey Lake Road, not just from Sand Lake Road, but directly from I-4 too. So what's changing? The left turn from westbound Sand Lake Road onto Turkey Lake Road is going away. Instead, drivers will use a free-flowing loop ramp on the right that will reduce backups and eliminate the need to cross multiple lanes of traffic to get to southbound Turkey Lake Road. At an interchange that sees over 115,000 vehicles a day, that means less time in traffic and more time getting where you want to go. Here's how the new traffic pattern will work. Drivers on westbound Sand Lake Road heading to Turkey Lake Road south of the intersection will keep right and use the loop ramp to pass over Sand Lake Road. From there, motorists will continue to the signal, where they can turn left for southbound Turkey Lake Road or right to access the nearby shops and restaurants. Drivers exiting westbound I-4 will also have a new direct connection to Turkey Lake Road. At exit 74A, drivers will keep left to access the new ramp to Turkey Lake Road or keep right to Sand Lake Road. Miss the ramp on the left to Turkey Lake Road? No problem. Motorists can simply keep right to Sand Lake Road and turn right onto the loop ramp to get back on track. Opening soon, the new loop ramp system will provide drivers with much-needed congestion relief and a better way to reach Turkey Lake Road. And in a busy area known for shopping, dining, and attractions, that means an easier trip for residents, workers, and visitors alike. For more information on the I-4 Improvement Project at Sand Lake Road, visit i4beyond.com/Sand Lake.